Proven ways to earn your cat's love. Cats are often thought of as independent and distant animals, but they have a strong need to love and be loved. But if you want to win a cat's love, you need to know how they behave and what they like. In spite of what most people think, getting close to a cat is not impossible. Instead, it's a satisfying process that involves daily actions and little things. This video talks about tried and true ways to build a loving relationship with your cat by using examples and daily habits. Give them room. Cats are territorial and like to have their own space. It's important to respect their limits if you want to earn their trust and love. Give your cat designated places where they can go when they need to be alone, like comfy beds or high perches. Don't bother them without a reason, and let them come to you when it's convenient for them. Set up a routine. Cats like things to be the same every day. Giving your cat a regular schedule for daily activities like eating, playing, and cuddling will help them feel safe and stable. If you can, stick to the schedule. Cats can get stressed and anxious when things don't go as planned. Play with your cat. Playing is an important part of a cat's daily routine, and it's also a great way for you and your pet to bond. To keep your cat interested in playing, give it engaging toys like feather wands, laser pointers, or puzzle feeders. These things not only get you and your cat moving, but they also bring you closer together by letting you share experiences. Give them mental stimulation. Cats are smart animals that need mental stimulation to keep them from getting boring and acting out. For example, you could add food puzzles, spinning toys, or hiding treats for your cat to find to their daily routine. Cats feel fulfilled and happy when they can use their natural hunting skills in a safe and controlled setting. Show care in a way that works for them. Each cat has its own favorite ways to be loved. Some cats like being held and hugged, while others might rather have their chins scratched or their bodies stroked gently. Pay attention to your cat's body language and other cues to figure out how comfortable they are with being touched. Be aware of their limits and show love in ways that they enjoy to build trust and make your relationship stronger. Keep the area clean. Cats are very clean-conscious animals that like living in neat and tidy places. To make sure your cat is comfortable and healthy, clean their litter box often, give them fresh water, and keep their eating area clean. A clean space not only helps your cat stay healthy, but it also makes them happier and more happy overall. Learn to be patient and understanding. It takes time, patience, and understanding to build a strong bond with your cat. Respecting that each cat is unique is important because they are complicated animals with their own personalities and habits. Let your cat get to know you at their own pace, especially if they are shy or quiet. Be patient with them. You can build a deep and meaningful bond with your cat if you are patient and understanding. The process of winning your cat's love is slow and requires consistency, kindness, and real care. To build a strong bond with your cat that will last a lifetime, you should respect their space. Set up a routine. Play with them. Give them mental stimulation. Show love when they want it. Keep the space clean and be patient and understanding. Together with commitment and love, you and your cat friend can have a happy and fulfilling partnership based on trust and love. Does the age of the cat matter when it comes to getting it to love you? Getting a cat to love and trust you can be affected by its age, but it shouldn't be the only thing that matters. Cats have different traits and temperaments at different ages, just like people do. You should think about the age of the cat and how to bond with it. But here are some things to keep in mind. Kittens. Kittens are often more willing to explore, play, and change their minds than grown cats. They are often more willing to try new things and may bond with their owners more quickly. But kittens also need a lot of teaching and socialization to grow up to be well-behaved cats. Adult cats. It may take an adult cat longer to get used to a new place and make friends with a new owner, especially if the cat has had a bad experience or been abused in the past. But adult cats usually already have personalities, which makes it easy to see if they would get along with a new owner. Senior cats. Older cats may have different wants and needs than younger cats. They might need more understanding and kindness, especially if they are sick or have trouble moving around. Cats that are older can still form strong bonds with their owners and enjoy love and company. No matter what age, the best way to win a cat's love is to be patient, consistent, and understanding. You have to work at getting to know your cat and earning their trust, no matter what age they are, kitten, adult, or senior. No matter what age your cat is, you can build a strong and long-lasting bond with them by giving them a safe and loving home, respecting their boundaries, and showing love and affection when they want it. Which kinds of cats are easier to get to love? Breed isn't always the most important thing when it comes to winning a cat's love. No matter what breed of cat it is, it has its own attitude and likes and dislikes. Other than that, some breeds are known for being more friendly, open, or affectionate than others. Many people think that the following cat types are better at becoming close with their owners. Maine Coon. Maine Coons are known for being friendly and social. When they're with people, they like to connect with them and are loving with their family members. Ragdoll. Ragdolls are known for being calm and gentle cats. They are known for being very affectionate and often make strong bonds with their owners. Cats that are Siamese are very friendly and talkative, and they love being with people. People often say that they are devoted and loyal to their owners. Burmese. Burmese cats are friendly and playful, and they love spending time with their people owners. They are known for being friendly and interested in other people. Scottish Fold. Scottish Folds are known for being friendly and gentle. They like being a part of the family and often become very close to their owners. As for the Siberian cat, they are known for being friendly and loving. People often like to spend time with their dogs, and they are known for being playful. Even though these breeds may be more likely to make close bonds with their owners, it's important to remember that each cat's behavior and temperament are very much based on its own personality. Any cat, no matter what type, can become a loyal and loving friend if they get the right care, attention, and love from their owner. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay with cats. See you again.